You gotta break. Hello friends, welcome back to Vlogtober week numero dos. So I'm on my way to my car, also waiting for my boyfriend. He's coming with me, but I need to go to the post office. I have one sticker order to drop off. I could also leave it at my mailbox because it is just one order. However, I need to check up on my PO box. So I wanted to let you guys know about something called Informed Delivery. So Informed Delivery, if you've never heard of it, you can sign up for it on the USPS website. Just look up on their little search bar, Informed Delivery, or Google it. And you will have access to a website that will send you an email and they'll let you know when things are coming and then also what's coming and when to expect it. But for our PO box, it's a little bit difficult because I need to receive a letter or something and like they need to confirm it differently. So I'm on my way to the PO box to see if it's there so I can confirm that. And this will also help me from having to drive all the way down there and then there being nothing in the PO box because that is a waste of gas and I hate wasting gas and I also hate driving, so this will help save me a trip. Also, it feels like fall right now, guys. I forgot to say that. Last night the weather dropped and right now it's like 60 degrees, which is really rare for like Memphis because usually at this time Memphis is still pretty damn hot. So yeah, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, so let's go ahead and do that. You know you can smell through the mask, right?
It doesn't work as well for me.
That smells nice.
I told you like it. It's called autumn style.
I don't want them fall.
It is fall. Or do you want it to be the color?
No, I want it to smell. This one's vegan.
Well, I do like
So I'm back. We went to Marshall's. They had 0 shower curtains. We were also gonna get some fall candles that smelled pretty good, but the line was too long, so we decided to leave. But I did get my order from Sticker Ninja. If you guys saw my last studio vlog or Vlogtober video, I approved the proofs, and so I finally got them in the mail today. All right, so here we have these sticker sheets. They came out so freaking cute. The quality of this is A1. Like, it feels really soft and velvety, but then the front is like a glossy texture. Huge fan. I think I got like 25 or 30. I didn't order too many because the sticker sheets are way more expensive than the regular die cut stickers. My only tip is like if you want to make stickers at home for selling or for yourself, to make sticker sheets at home because it is pretty pricey. Probably only gonna make sticker sheets when I want like these like cooler stickers, but if it's like for planners or agendas and those kind of things, I'll probably just make them at home on like matte sticker paper to save some money. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take some product shots and then upload this on my website for launch date. I have been working on this video that you guys probably have seen already. It was my Vlogtober numero uno. I don't know why it took forever. I also had to like clean up my files on my computer. If you guys are like me and just save stuff and like download stuff and send stuff to your computer all the time, make sure at least once a week to clean up your computer. Definitely don't do this because it's just too much work and I don't feel like it. And so like when I am editing videos, my computer be too full, so I had to like delete a bunch of crap before I can like actually export the video. So it's Inktober day numero 5. However, I did not finish yesterday's drawing, so I finished it today. So I need to make another one for today and then another one for tomorrow. So I think I'm just gonna go ahead and go to bed though because I'm exhausted. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed day 1 of this week. I will catch up with you guys in the morning.
your dream works, Daryl?
Yes.
How do we get the candy?
You put on a costume and you go door to door.
Oh no, we put on a costume for what?
Hello friends, I am Hello friends. So I just got off work, went to my mailbox as you saw, and I decided to come outside and just get some fresh air because I've been outside all day long. I'm about to go home and work on my pins because they need to be sanded and also need to put a first coat of paint on them. My stickers seem like they're gonna arrive tomorrow, which is really exciting. So I need to plan for that. So I'm gonna go do that right now and I catch up with you guys in a little bit. That's not that bad. We bring you this commercial break featuring Mr. Spiden. Our friend has moved, or is moving. Ah, you're gonna break. Lord.
As long as I don't drop this glass.
There was no way I was going to get this with that little. Feliz hump day. I don't know how you say hump in Spanish, but it's probably not a good word. Anyways, I am on my way to the office, and then I'm just gonna work on some more clay pins because these clay pins need to be sanded. And as you guys saw last night, like, it was a struggle bus. But I got, you know, like what I needed. I just need to figure out how to install it with the sandpaper that is correct so that my clay pins are nice and smooth. But we will figure that out later. Hi, can I have a vegan mango kale smoothie with a scoop of peanut butter and the 20 ounce? Yes, thank you. I literally never have cash, and I think I have enough today just to pay this smoothie because I definitely don't want to use my card for this. Thank you. Have a good one. Exactly what I needed. Whatever you need for your dreams, sip. And it comes with a sponge. Me encanta. We've got a tripod. Look how beautiful the tripod is. Now you guys will not be falling everywhere. It also comes with, I forget what it's called. Basically, it's the thing to just have like a one stand versus all on 3 legs. Excited! Woo! This is amazing! I needed this so bad. Huh? You see?
And then